Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add clickable links in an image using Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So I have here a template that I have seen on Canva that we're going to try out to add a clickable link. So this actually works onto text or anything in here that you could see onto your design. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and click onto the element. So if you want to go ahead and add that one onto the text, you could do that one. But for this one, since we want to do the image, so let's try these elements that I have in here. For example, this classroom that I have in here, let's click onto that, right click onto this, and you should be able to find in the option to add in the link. This is also the shortcut key for that. And you'll just need to enter a link in here so that once you click onto this, you'll get redirected onto that link. So for example, youtube.com. So let's add that one, click onto enter, and then click onto done. So as you can see, the link has been added in here. And if you go ahead and export this one, make sure that you export this onto a file type that will actually load a link. So for example, the PDF standard. So this is best if you want to go ahead and try out the clickable link. So let's try to download this one out. Now, if you do a quick preview onto our downloaded PDF file, if you hover onto the image that we have added the link, it should go ahead and show that it is clickable. And if you click onto this, it should go ahead and redirect you onto the link that you have added. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.